Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Zero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, so let's see where have we reached. We have reached almost another kind of very popular and well-known machine learning algorithm called random forest. Random forest is basically a supervised machine learning algorithm that is used widely in classification and regression problems. So basically this algorithm builds a decision tree on different sample set of data and takes their entire majority vote for classification and averaging in case of regression, right? So the random forest is basically a very popular machine learning algorithm that belongs to supervised learning technique. It's, you can ask anyone in the ML, DL, AI industry, wow, random forest is my favorite because it solves majority of the regression issues. It can be used for both classification and regression problem as well, but widely used for regression. It is based on, the concept called ensemble learning, which is a process of combining multiple classifiers to basically solve a complex problem and to improve the performance of the particular machine learning model, right? Now let's take a look at the Python source code and see how this particular algorithm works. And this is my Visual Studio IDE. I am importing matplotlib, pyplot, scikit-learn, and the matrices from scikit-learn as well. And of course, we are going to plot a confusion matrix using scikit-learn. So, how many lines of code, guys? This is about 47 lines of code to normalize a confusion matrix using iris dataset. Let me run this code and see what happens. We should see a beautiful chart. There you go, the normalized confusion matrix using iris dataset. This is the predictive model. Alright, so in case if you guys need this code and you need any help in understanding the code line by line with the algorithm, I'll be happy to assist you one-on-one. I will see you soon in the next algorithm. Goodbye.